In the name of God, I'm Rosa, and in this part of the knotted cushion tutorial, I'm showing you how to fill the braid. The braid has been sewed before, and it's ready. As you see, we have uh, one cut, 1.5 gray and one yellow. Its length is about 5 meters, 5.5 meters. So I'm starting to fill it. Pay attention carefully. What do we need? We have a PVC pipe here and a cane that is about 50 centimeters. This one is 50 centimeters too. I put the braid inside the polyester pipe and take it from the other side. Then I put it on the pipe and pull the braid so that all the length is on the polyester pipe. Then I had 2 of these yarns. Tied it here. Then we use polyester fibers to fill the braid and start in this way. Put them inside the polyester pipe, fill it with the polyester fibers completely. Then, with using the cane, I take this place and all of the polyester fibers will go inside it. Pay attention to one point. It shouldn't be loose or tight or hard. It should be soft. And when you pull the braid, there's no empty holes inside it. So pay attention. I will continue and fill the braid as you see. Okay, as you see, I'm going to finish filling the braid. And it's the last step. Put this away. And tight it firmly. It took about 15 minutes to fill completely, and we have a complete braid that's ready for a knot. In the next video, I will show you how to knot the knotted cushion we are making. We are going to make a 5-petal flower cushion.